Let me give a brief on the topic that there are few guys traveling in a Thar, beautiful Thar, maroon color Thar. These guys are drinking and they have decorated the Thar for a wedding. And they are wearing these turbans and like very aesthetic, ethnic wears. But it feels so stupid by looking at them. And on that, Umesh is saying that the constitution that they're ready to do whatever they want.
Yes, and I am also supporting that because they are going for a wedding. Maybe they have to decorate that car for some ceremony or ritual.
Exactly my point. Thar is not that vehicle. Get a like borrow a vehicle or something. Rent a vehicle that is for a marriage. But Thar is give you a very different feeling. You look stupid in doing that in Thar.
It's your perspective that they are looking stupid, but maybe their choice is like that. Like they want to have a Thar in their wedding.
How stupid that is like.
No, it's Haryana. You know that how much they love.
Go in a dumper or something then. It's Haryana. What does that mean?
It's a luxurious dumper then.
Dude, that's what exactly it is. Thar is a feeling. Thar gives you a feeling of a 4x4.
See, you are describing what you feel about the Thar.
I haven't seen Thar using for marriage purposes. It just doesn't connect.
You have not seen. But people may use it. You have paid the same amount of taxes.
I'm not questioning about what they can do, what they're not. I'm just saying that I'm not talking about the legal sense of legal part of it. I'm just saying that this looks
they
stupid.
Are looking stupid in your eyes.
Yes, exactly in my eyes. I am seeing them and finding them stupid.
But I don't see them being stupid.
Because you are stupid by you, bhai. You are stupid if you can't find it funny or stupid. What's your opinion? Like it's okay to do this shit?
Yes, it's not looking stupid. It is just they have decorated their car.
I feel it's their choice to enjoy their.
I get it. You must be doing something similar in your marriage. Are you going to do something?
I'm free to do.
You are free to even do a naked dance on the road, dude.
No, he is not. Like by nature, he will not do it. But you can't force others to do what you feel
I will do
like.
I will.
And the main thing is, it is not disturbing others.
I am okay
See,
with everything.
yeah, I know you are also okay with everything, and it's your opinion that they are looking stupid. See,
it's my opinion. I feel like that they're feeling okay.
See what happened if your better half says that she wants to have a like some Wagoner or Ambassador in its like in her
Wagoner and Wagoner. Firstly, like Wagoner is also a very what's the traffic about? It's not something of a very various thing. And if you're saying if it's an Ambassador or something, Ambassador are classic vehicles. They can be used for marriage. They are being
then
used
again it is in your definition.
Don't go to Maharajas, how they do their ceremony.
Yes, but for Haryana people, this is their luxury vehicle. This is the vehicle which like
it's about like
it is like a symbol.
It's not symbol of luxury. It's about patriarchy. It's about manlyhood.
Not exactly a luxury.
Thar is about manlyhood. Thar is exactly about manlyhood.
And Jat people are like a boastful of their manlyhood.
Yeah, exactly my point is.
And then they need a symbol like Thar to express it.
Purpose.
Yeah, I know.
They want it just to show that they are that goon kind of a personality.
Yes.
Which he wants to utilize in all the aspects of his life.
Who is asking you to like own a vehicle to go to marriage? You can rent one.
He not want. He has owned it.
What he has owned it?
He has owned it.
How do you know that they owned it? That's your assumption, dude. Don't be so assumption, so prejudiced about the issue.
You are just deviating from the kind.
I'm not deviating. You're just assuming things and being prejudiced just to prove your point.
You are just.
And now you don't have any argument left with you when I pointed out the issue with your argument.
There is nothing to discuss.
Exactly my point.
Okay, focus on driving the thing.
Come up with a better argument if you can.
Okay. So
we have a clear argument, clear fact is that he has owned a vehicle or he is.
I'm not even arguing on that matter. He is whatever he is doing in his legal rights. I'm not questioning his legal rights. What I'm saying is that what he is doing seems to be stupid. It looks stupid. The vehicle is not meant for this purpose. Vehicle is something that showcases like rowdiness, patriotism.
The main thing is he is not doing what you like.
It's not doing what the vehicle.
Basically, vehicle doesn't.
No.
Purpose means basically if it's a truck or transportation for.
Yeah, some people may have some like fetish for that truck should be there in their marriage.
It's a private vehicle.
They want to
transport from.
They want a truck in their barat.
So from tomorrow, if someone is bringing a BMW and is taking trash from your home, you will see like, okay, it's his wish.
Yeah.
Their choice.
Choice is
Exactly.
okay, but it will look funny and like stupid.
See, that will be very stark
Don't you think
use of that vehicle. It is that is not a very stark like.
Don't
See,
you
some
think
Maharaja of Baroda or something who did something like similar and it was funny,
Yes.
it made news.
Yes,
He-
he just want to revenge from Rolls Royce.
Exactly, Rolls Royce or something.
Yeah.
There was a story, something like similar.
Yes.
So exactly my point that.
But there is a stark difference
why it was considered as a revenge?
there
Because
is a stark
it was
difference to carry dump in a BMW. But there is nothing
See,
much of a difference
every-
having a Thar in the marriage because it's a vehicle. The
I
people
don't
are
know,
using
issue
it.
with Thar, the marriage, the issue is how they have decorated it in a very girly way and everything like.
No, it's not a girly way, it's just a normal way.
They have destroyed the soul of Thar that shows how bold it is.
It's a normal way.
It's a
They
normal
have-
way for decoration, but it is destroying the like expression of Thar, the feeling that Thar gives. It's making really feminine of a Thar.
so? You feel a female cannot drive a car.
No,
Yeah.
I'm not saying that.
If
I
you
have never
see it,
said
you
that.
will find it
I feel it very attractive when women drive Thar. It makes me like see them and
So
see how.
what if the woman drives a Thar and have a floral decoration around it?
I
Will
feel
it
like
make it better?
better in what sense?
Better in what sense that men driving a Thar with
How
floral
you feel
decoration
about
or women driving a Thar with floral decoration? Which will be better for you?
None is better because there's a floral decoration that is killing the like the.
But
the-
it's a
the-
marriage, no? Marriage, you do have a floral decoration. How will you decorate a Thar then?
Buy like black dog bottles or something.
No, they were drinking.
They were
one
drinking,
person was
but-
drinking behind and was seeing me. We have a eye
By
contact and he
by
was
swinging
smiling.
some swords or something or some kind of guns coming out from the window. That's what the decoration is for Thar.
No, but you can't do that in Indian scenario.
You can't do anything in.
You can do it.
Focus on that.
You don't want this drive to be your last.
It won't be last year just driving at 20 or 30 speed.
Yeah, it was that is the main problem. No? You will not look good in hospital and all.
Delhi's traffic or mostly will be